Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I am joining in on the celebration hop for ScrapRona reaching 500 subscribers. That is so cool, and I'm sure there's going to be many more in her future. So what she asked us to do was choose one of her layouts to use as inspiration and to let everyone know why we chose that layout. So I really like this layout because it uses a large photo, and I don't know about you, but I struggle with using large photos. So that is why I'm using this one. And I love the brightness and just the detail around it. There's not too much. The photo still gets to stand out, but I really like this layout and the large photo. So that is what I am using as my inspiration of hers. Now she will be having a giveaway, so details will be down below. I'll also link you to her YouTube channel and to this particular video for this layout, and all the details, like I said, will be below for the giveaway, and also she'll have it on her video as well. And there's a playlist below of everyone else who's playing along in this celebration. So my big photo is a little bit bigger than hers. It's wider, so hers is quite a skinny one. Mine's quite big and takes up a lot of real estate, so we'll see how that works out. And the collection I'm using is the No Limits collection from Cocoa Vanilla. Alright, so I'm going to get on with it. I'll come back at the end, have a quick little chat, and we'll see how I can do this layout justice. Okay, there is my completed page. So this was my inspiration using a large photo, and I love this page, and this is how I interpreted it. So it was really simple, basically just two pieces of paper. In the collection there was a page of like cut apart, so I just used one of those as my heading. So Rona has her heading up here, so that's where I've put mine. She's got a tag which I put over here, and a subheading which I have here, and I used another one as well because I wanted like the 3 points, and then obviously the stars. I've recreated the stars as well, and so it happens my paper over here is stripy like hers, but that's just how it worked out. So anyway, that is my layout. I hope she likes what I've done. As I mentioned earlier, I will have a link below to ScrapRona's YouTube channel. Sorry, words are hard. Also a list below of everyone else who's playing along. It's actually a playlist, so you click on that and you'll see everyone's videos who's playing along, and all the details of her giveaway as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this, please hit that thumbs up so that I know you've liked it. If you're not already a subscriber, please also consider hitting that subscribe button and that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.